Hey, welcome to the Easy Art Fun Show. Today we are going to be drawing an Easter chicken coming out of an egg. Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's draw an Easter chicken coming out of an egg. And this is an easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy type of a drawing. So first of all, we want to draw our egg, and it's going to be a half of an oval, like a big U. All right, so let's draw this big U just like that. All right. Now here, I'm going to draw some jaggy edges to represent that the egg is just broken, hatched. So I'm going to draw some little lines kind of going like that. Those edges might be sharp. And now we're going to draw our baby chicken. All right, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw two eyes for my baby chicken. And they're going to be close together. These are cartoon eyes. And then I'll go ahead and put my pupils in here. And now for the beak, it's going to be like a triangle, but it's going to be rounded on the side. Just like that. Our baby chicken, and have those two lines come together. And if you want to, you can put a little mark right here for their nose, their nostrils. And up here, I'm going to draw a little flappy part. Okay, for the top of the chicken's head. And now from here down to here, it's going to be like a curved line. Coming all the way down, and then do the same thing on this side, coming all the way down like that. And there it is, your basic, easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy little baby chicken coming out of an Easter egg. And you can design this egg to be like some different colors if you want to. So we could draw some lines like this. And that's the fun part about Easter eggs, is drawing the different eggs. And if you want to, you can put some grass in here. All right, some nice grass. I just kind of draw some little lines like that. And you could always put a little flower on the side here with a circle. And some petals on the flower, because it is spring and it's beautiful outside, isn't it? The weather is changing, getting warmer. Oh, I just can't wait to get out there and play at the parks. And I'll just add a little texture to my flower here. And I'll give it some leaves. Maybe that flower is kind of waving to the baby chicken saying, hello, welcome to your new life. Hey, I hope you had a great time with us today on our Easy Art Fun Show. And I hope you check out our other videos. We have some learning videos, and we have a lot of drawing videos. And I would really love it if you would hit that subscribe button down there so you can never miss an important show that we are having out just about every single day. So I hope you have a fantastic, beautiful day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Bye.